Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a VidIQ extension to YouTube. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up a new tab, okay, from your browser. Then just go ahead and type down VidIQ. That's it. Just hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on Chrome extension. Okay, click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all you got to do is just click on install Chrome extension right here. So just click on it, wait for this new tab to open. And what you're going to do next is just go ahead and click on install. Okay. And once that's installed, you're going to go ahead and open up your extensions manager right here at the top or at the top right. So just click on extensions and manage extensions. Okay. Make sure that VidIQ right here is enabled. Now, once that's done, go ahead and check it out right here in your extensions manager. Now click on it and just make sure that you log in. There'll be a pop-up right here. Just continue with your email. And once logged in, it will say right here, success. We are directing you back to YouTube. So what you got to do next is just basically go ahead over to YouTube right here, refresh the page. And once that's done, as you can see here we now have the VidIQ extension working. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.